The hereditary molecule is DNA, and it is here to stay. Made of nucleotides the shape of a double helix or a spiral ladder. Each has two strands made with a nitrogenous base, a single or double ring carbon of nitrogen. Yes, that is the case. The single rings are thymine and cytosine, just some fancy names. The double rings are adenine and guanine, and I'm not playing games. Now we have DNA transcription. First, the strands split apart. One breaks the other apart. RNA polymerase matches up bases. Now U and T both switch places. The polymerase bonds nucleotides with these covalent bonds. That's when atoms share electrons. Next, the RNA leaves. It begins to fade. DNA comes back. That's how RNA is made. So who was Mr. Griffith? He was all alone. He had no one to work with. He was trying to find the pneumonia cure. He took Y strands. He wasn't so sure. The first one killed. The second one lived. He heated up the first and called it the third. The third lived, but 2 and 3 died. Not. He was confused, and it swept the nation. He had just discovered transformation. Then comes Oswald Avery. He had courage. He was full of bravery. He took Griffith's strands and added proton killers. But the mice died. Avery had lied. Then he did DNA killers. The mouse survived. And it was no actor. DNA was the transformation factor. Hershey and Chase, each with a crazy face, took 2 batches of virus, one with sulfur and one with phosphorus. They let it infect bacteria, and shook the shell off with a single blender. All they did was prove it more. Any doubts went straight out the door. Finally, we have translation. It kinda works like a train station. tRNA has an anticolor that responds with the RNA codon. That's an anticodon for those of you science nerds. This occurs with the A and P site. It seems complicated, but you'll be alright. The amino acids form a bond. They go for a ride. This type of bond is called peptide. The tRNA then shifts over. But wait, we aren't done. The process repeats. It goes on and on. It keeps going until we hit the stop codon. When it's all said and done, you'll have a protein. Your body will be strong and fit and lean. You're ready to go. Have a good day. Unlike DNA, I'm not here to stay.